Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to the video on this 2015 Ford F-150 LARIAT. This particular LARIAT is powered by the 3.5 liter Ford EcoBoost engine. Gives a great mix of power and efficiency. That engine's been well tested now for several years and has gotten rave reviews from many consumer reports and things like that. So this LARIAT is also, it's a sport package LARIAT. So you don't see as much of the chrome on this truck. If you notice down here in the wheels, you're looking at an alloy wheel with a gray insert, and that theme sort of carries its way around. You can see that the front grille on this truck is actually not a chrome, it's more of a almost a carbon colored gray. It gives it sort of a sporty look rather than a classic chrome. It's more of a sporty look to it, which makes sense as it is called the sport package. Moving around, you see your LARIAT badging, your EcoBoost badging. Looking down here, you got a really nice grayish black running board. Have a turn signal indicator inlaid into the mirror. It's a great passive safety feature. In addition to your front turn signals, you have that. When you're turning, just gives a great positive indication to anyone who's driving around you in which direction you're planning to turn in. Have your proximity buttons on the doors. If you have your key in your pocket and you push down on this button, it will unlock the door. That feature is on both the driver and the passenger front doors of this truck. Moving around to the back, once again, you'll see really cool looking alloy rims there. All four of these are mounted up with Goodyear Wrangler tires that are probably about 2/3 tread, maybe a touch better. Have your sport sticker in here, your chrome tipped exhaust, and there's actually a little, this gray piece right here is on both sides. That is to protect the truck from any rocks or things that might get thrown up off the tires. Sort of takes the place of a mud flap in terms of protecting the paint. Either have a mud flap that hangs down, or you can have this molded plastic piece that just generally deflects rocks and keeps this paint here if it was bare from being damaged. This truck is equipped with the blind spot sensing. You can actually see the logos for that there, as well as rear sensors that are inlaid into the bumper for your backup sensors. You can see here, it does have a backup camera. I'll show you that once we get in, but the camera for that is right here. Looking down, you have the pins, both the larger set of trailer pins and the standard lights only set of trailer pins here, as well as a hitch. One of the pretty cool features on this truck that the previous owner put on was this folding 3-panel X-Tang tonneau cover. It's a really solid, really thick, really well built cover. Super simple to operate. You can see that the things here, these just pull down and pull over on both sides. And then you can just fold it right back. Once again, that's an X-Tang Solid Fold 2.0. So that's a several $100 really nice aftermarket cover there. Goes back on just as simply as it came off. Right like that. Have some lights here in the bed. Just helps illuminate the cargo if you're working at night, loading at night, anything like that. As well as several sets of tie downs all around the truck. Oh, and a hard bed liner in here as well. You're matching Goodyear Wranglers again. Once again, you've got this chip protector back here that I had talked about. Coming up around, once again, on this side, you'll see the proximity sensor again that I had talked about, but then also you'll see the keyless entry. Pretty nice feature from Ford. They do this on a lot of their units. Is to put this here, you can program any code you want, I believe up to 5 or 6 digits into this and be able to get into it without your key. If you lock yourself out or if you just need into the truck but don't have your key on you. We'll jump in here. First thing you want to notice is the fully power adjustable driver's seat with the adjustable lumbar support. It's 6-way adjustable, so you can go up and down as such, forward and backwards. You can adjust this forward and backwards, then you can adjust your lumbar as well. Coming over here, multiple people are driving this truck. This does have the multi-profile setup, so if you adjust your seat and mirrors to things that to your liking, and then program them into one of these numbers, you can just get in and hit the number and they will return to those settings. Jumping in here, it is a keyless truck. So if you key in your pocket or in your hand, foot on the brake and just push button start. Pretty standard controls here. Not going to spend too much time on that. You have your cruise control stuff over here, your Bluetooth controls here. Navigation through all the menus would be right about here. Light controls. The lights on your mirrors. So your mirrors actually have lights built into them. You can hit these and turn those on. They are power folding mirrors. Hit the button. They fold their way right on in. And same in the reverse. Up here you got a programmable garage door opener up here on your visor, as well as the controls for opening and closing. It's a power sliding rear window, which is a pretty cool feature. Once again, lots of value and features packed into this truck. Your power sliding rear window there. All the controls for the panoramic roof are right here. If you want to open and close the cover, you can see that. You can open and close your cover as such. And if you're opening and closing the roof, those controls are right here. Looking down, once again, this truck is very well equipped. Got a full set of navigation built into the screen there. You got heated and cooled seats. Have your backup camera there that I showed you on the back. It's just mounted right up in the center of the tailgate there. Pretty good quality backup camera. And, over here, I want to forget a lot. There's a lot of stuff to this truck. You have a standard power plug if you wanted to plug in a charger or something of that nature. Anything up to 400 watts. So you got any kind of laptops fine there, chargers, things like that. Most of your electronics are underneath 400 watts, so you're good there. All right. Got your four-wheel drive controls here. That's pretty much it for this truck. There's a good bit of pretty cool features on this. If you'd like to check any of them out in person, check the truck out, give it a drive. The EcoBoost engine's a pretty impressive engine in these trucks. If you'd like to check that out, please stop in at 21518 Great Cove Road. You can keep checking us out online at thomasata.com. Give us a call at 717-485-4224. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it helped you out in your shopping experience.